Kenya can go, and that's up.
Now, Kenya's growing stake in the multi-trillion shilling global halal economy takes center stage this week as Eastleigh hosts the Halal Business Expo. Now, the 4-day event will bring together over 150 exhibitors and 3,000 delegates and is expected to boost investment opportunities across Islamic financing, agribusiness, tourism and technology. Now, the expo will not only boost trade and innovation, but also strengthen Kenya's position as a regional hub for ethical and sustainable enterprise.
Any business person that wants to expand, this is a market that is ripe and it is ready for tapping. So we have so many opportunities here, and again, looking at the consumers, that is not only targeting this Kenya, it is also cutting across other neighboring countries. So
we are doing halal. It's not just food. Halal is way bigger than food. When we look into the Sharia compliant is any investment companies such as banks or real estate companies who are doing zero interest rate. That means those banks which are Sharia compliant banks or real estate companies, they cannot go through penalties or zero interest rate. Or in another way, la riba, they don't charge interests.
Now, formal jobs